Guys, hope you all are doing well. We will go straight to the topic, which is how to run .NET program without Visual Studio. So let's begin. To be actually, it is quite simple of how to do that. If you go to the File Explorer, you could see the OS file in there. You can go to Windows in there, Microsoft, which is for me Microsoft.NET, which is for me. It is here, and in that you can see that framework 64. This show that if you are coder or not coder, there will be always a file of Microsoft.NET, means that .NET is already installed in your system. So how to run that in without Visual Studio? So we will go to the framework, and as we can see there are different versions of .NET is installed in your system already. So to begin with that, first we needed to open Notepad, which I will open like that. In Notepad, we can simply write the program of our C sharp, which, for example, I will take hello world only, class hello. We could type anything else, and in that, uh, we could like public static void main, um, and here it is. In here, we can write system dot console dot write line, write line, uh, giving bracket hello world. Okay, I've given the different bracket. It should be fine, but we should use the normal ones over here and here and close bracket. That's all. For that, we have to, I think, we have to save the program console.writeline hello world. That's all. And here the semicolon. You could save it anywhere as you wanted. I will save it in C drive only. We'll create folder like .NET, for example. In here, all the C sharp file is stored in hello.cs only. Means .cs is the extension that we have to use in every single C sharp file. So I will save it. Now it is saved. Okay. To run this program, now we only just created the structure of the program, like what we have written. Okay, now to run that program we have to simply open cmd command prompt only. For that, I will maximize the screen. Now for first we needed to set path, which we have to set it according to the version we are using. For example, right now I'm using this, so I will just copy this path and paste it over here equal to this. Now the path has been set. We have to change the directory. For example, you have saved it in D, so you have to type it D. Like I only have the C drive, so I don't need it to be changed. But I have to go to the root, not in my name and users. Okay, so for that I have to type cd slash. Then I will be gone into my root directory. Now I have to change directory to the folder I have created, which is .NET. For that I will type cd .NET, enter. Now you can see the directory has been changed to .NET. For now this is done. Now I have to compile the code first and then execute it. So um, I have to type CSC for compilation, which my program name is hello.cs that we have said it right. Now I will press enter. As you can see, the compiler has been run properly. I accidentally click some button, but it's okay. Now I think it's fine. Okay. Uh, as you can see, the compiling has been done. Now we can see it in the folder also. Like for example, in .NET, you could see that exe file has been created. So now to execute it, we don't have to do anything. Just we have to type like hello world, which is what is our name of the program we have created, that is hello dot exe, as the exe file has been created. Now we will just press enter. See, the hello world is there. So as you can see, we have executed the program without using Visual Studio, and that's all. So thanks for watching this. If you have any queries, let me know. I will resolve it in comment, or if it is a major one, I will try to make video about it. Thanks and goodbye.